Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your Facebook cover photos private. So go to your Facebook app and tap on your profile picture icon. Here you need to tap on your profile cover, and for today we need to upload a cover photo. So I'm selecting upload photo. I'm taking this picture for my profile cover. Now be careful, you need to untick this. Share your update to newsfeed, you need to uncheck this option. So after that you should click on save. Now you can see your profile cover has been changed. Refresh this page. Yeah. Now tap on your profile cover again and tap view profile cover. Here just swipe right and you can see your previous profile cover. Tap on the three dot icon and find edit privacy. Tap here and tap see more. Now select only me. Now your profile cover photo cannot be seen by anyone else except you. It's hidden from everywhere. Now it's private. So that's all for today's video. Please hit the subscribe button. See you later.